Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. So let me see, first thing, I think the video is clear and let me test the audio as well. Okay, so yeah, I think everything's out of the way now. So now the next thing is let's get to the task. So yeah, here you go. Today I'm here. Um, my intent is to do some vibe coding. Like I have been using AI tooling for coding in my workplace, but in workplace it's a little bit different. Like the way we code is, there are existing huge source code, and lot of time lot of time we spend it is in providing the context. Like it is hard for the AI editor to read the context. Sometimes we make use of it to read the context as well, but we cannot 100% rely on the context or the understanding that it provides. We need to double check and make sure that it is working the same way that it analyzed. But here we have a lot more freedom while working on our own projects. There are less customers depending on it, or less impact that it would make even if there is any error or bug. That doesn't mean that we our intent with vibe coding here is to create a lot of buggy code or error prone code, but we'll use this carefree or a little bit with more confidence here so that we can make progress much faster and try to incorporate it in it as a habit. And in the at the same time, if someone is following and if you want to learn about coding in general and vibe coding and how to think and design about an app or any application, um, I think this will be useful. I'll build the app and I'll think about how I'm thinking about the data model and how I'm thinking about the extensibility of the features and what we will build. Um, and all in all, after that, there are something new for me as well. I need to productionize it. I need to publish it into Apple Store. So all those procedures will be new for me, and also the CI/CD pipeline, how we manage different environments for app build, that is new for me. Like I have most of my experience has been with backend application development. So we will have a clear pipeline, clearly defined stages or environments, and the release cycle will be defined. And also the front end also it works the same way, front end or full stack apps as well. But mobile apps, I'm sure it will be slightly different. So I already started working on an idea for developing I think you can guess the first app everybody picks up, a fitness app or fitness tracker app. But I don't want to limit it to just entering the workouts that we did, or whether we hit the gym or not, or those things. I want an app where I will have I can choose from certain plans, like whether if I want to follow a push pull legs regime, or whether I want to follow a full body workouts, or whether I want to follow just the workouts for the that can be performed at home, or the workout that can be performed with fully available gym and everything. Like it should curate a plan and provide it to me, and based on the duration or the time I have. And then once I select a plan, it should provide me an interface where it is easy to enter the workout. Let's see how I can make a trade-off between the ease and the aesthetic to enter the log of workout. And so these two are the main features. Like I should have template stored, I should have a plan, and I should have an entry. This is the first basic feature. And after that, I should get proper analytics about how I'm doing and how I'm progressing over time. And also, like, the plan should be time bound. Like I'll select a plan for 6 weeks, and after 6 weeks I should have a retrospective about how it went and how I made progress. And after that, if there is any suggestion for choosing a different plan or to do some tweaks in the weights or the volume or how I'm proceeding, it should provide me that as a AI coach. So this is the intent. Let me forget about the AI coach part and AI suggestions and everything. I want to make the basic things work to start with. That's the intent. Let me show what I have got so far. So I'm using like I started off with using Gemini 3 to bootstrap something, but it provided me a single app.js file where it just had all the features implemented. And then I moved it over to Cursor and created created it as a repository, and still I'm working like as a source folder and several components I have implemented. There are so many things, different things going on here. Firebase config, which I'm not using. I need to probably to provide Google authentication or OAuth authentication, Google or Apple authentication. As of now, I have implemented only user email based authentication. And this is mostly the code. Like we have so many different components and different features and components under those features specific to that haven't been implemented. The code is, I've tried to make it as much readable as possible by just by modularizing it, and that itself took a lot of effort. It would break when I try to modularize it, and I'll bring it back to working state and then make the tweak again and then modularize it. So now I'm able to, I think I'm at a stage where I have enough modularity. Maybe if I see an opportunity, I'll break it down into smaller pieces again. But the focus is on readability and maintainability. As of now, from here onwards, let's see how we can keep improving that aspect as well with vibe coding. So let's move on to the demo part. So this is what I have so far, like in the app. So this is a home screen. There are multiple tabs. There is a challenges UI, and there is the workout actual gym view. This is like everything related to the gym. And there is a history where you can see the sessions, and there is an analytics view which will provide the analytics and the pie chart and uh, bar graph and everything. So let me see if I can do anything. Let's initiate a new session, and let's select template here. There's a template with deadlift and biceps curls. Let's start the session, and let's enter the weight as 135 and reps as 8, and then I'll complete the workout. And there was no time before this one, but before adding the next set, I have been spending time here. The timer is running already. I have spent some 10 seconds, and then I'll add a set 135. I'll keep the weight. Primarily, I'll decrease the weight or increase the weight for the second set, and I'll keep the same number of reps, and I'll complete this one. So there was a 24 seconds of rest time between those, and the timer reset after I did the entry here. Probably I'll see if this one works to automatically calculate the rest time in between the sets, or I'll see if there is a way to manually start the timer and end the timer. So yeah, this is how it's working. And what is this biceps curls? Let's say there is 35, and let's make it as 10, and I'll finish this one as well. I'll add a set again. I'll make an entry one more. Probably I'll vary it make it 12, and then I'll complete the session. So now if we move back here, it should show all the data. Basically, it is not showing section by section or session by session, but it is showing all the workouts per day, organized per day. We can see what's the why it is not showing session by session, but it is tracking per day. And then if we move on to this one, now you can see the varying workouts in the pie chart. One set of plank and one set of deadlift and one set of bicep curl, and this is only one workout. Then one day where we did workout, and then this screen I wanted to show, but it is not visible now. Start a custom workout and weekly this thing, view progress. Yeah, this took me to custom analytics screen, and history log took us to history. Start a custom workout, modify data. Let me see this about session. Okay, I'll discard it. Yeah, now it came to this one. There is some like indeterministic flow screen. This is like the home screen here. So where we have an active plan push pull legs, and we can change it to full body or upper body, upper lower, and or some custom plan. How long will we follow this plan? And then the training frequency, 3x per week, 4x per week, and also the available equipment, whether it's full gym, body weight, or dumbbells, or just or mix of everything. And then we can create the plan for ourselves. So yeah, I think this is not completely thought out. Let's see what it does. Plan push pull is created successfully. Okay, push pull X is created successfully, and if I change it, yeah, again, let's see, I'll create this plan. Okay, full body is created successfully, and yeah, nothing's happening actually. And then I'll browse the templates here, and yeah, again, it will come to the same templates, workout templates here. And I think there must be an option to delete those or save the template also. Let's say there is you browse the template, you see there is tester template, and then you want to add an exercise to this template, probably pull-ups, like pull downs you need to add. Okay, you added that one, and then you need to save the template. Okay, this is the demo template, and then yeah, and then I just saved this one. Template is saved successfully. And if we go back here, about this session, and then if we go back to browse the templates, Denny template, I think I had a typo there. So yeah, this one there is some button there which is kind of bothering me. I need to see if that is functional or need to remove it. So let's go here and favorites. There is a Denny template and this one. Yeah. So yeah, need to organize these things properly, like a story. When we come to the screen, we should know what we are doing. So yeah, this is about the app that we have. This doesn't have a lot of things, but it has something. Like all this one has some basic features and everything, but we need to properly align it and properly design it now. And we can use AI as well. We can use cursor, and we can keep building. So now the first goal for today is I want to build out this screen today, like this workout screen. So I have things in bits and pieces, but I don't have a lot of things. So let's see how the data model looks like. Let's ask this one. Ask the AI. So now please provide the data model used to show the uh, workout plan. So I'm using Gemini 3. We can pick the model that we use to finish. I saw there were a few free models. This model is free until December 11th, so this will be unlimited. And I was trying to use this one so not to run out of the tokens, and I was using it in max mode, so I was picking this Coder Max, and also Grok is available for free, but within the capacity limits. And what other models are free? This will cost 2x Sonnet. I usually run out of the tokens whenever I'm coding in a full-fledged way. So trying to save it a little bit. Whenever it's not applicable, I'll just move to Grok or GPT 5.1 Coder. Let's see here. Okay. Okay, now I got the response. So vibe coding. First thing is I'm kind of like, I like using AI not for just writing code. Writing code is good. Writing integration tests, unit tests are good, but I like AI, like the AI for reading the code and understanding and getting the context as well. So reading somebody else's written code is always a painful thing, but this makes it easy. We can start and we can get the grasp, and if we get the gist from here, it's easy to dive deep from there. Let's see here. I asked for the data model used to store the workout plans. The application uses local storage model, likely via async storage or similar local persistence synchronized with Superbase for cloud backup. Okay, nice. The core data structure is defined in source.workout, types.workouts. Okay. Uh, okay, that is provided here. Workout.ts. Okay, we can read that one. Here's the model. This is the top level structure defining the user's training program. It is stored locally within the user data object. Workout plan. String ID string workout plan. Plan ID string, name string. Okay. ID is some unique identifier, and push pull X is the example display name. Description, brief description of the plan. Type push pull X, full body. Upper lower custom plan structure. Type is that one. Yeah, this is wrong, I guess, or this is not required. Probably type. Okay, and then frequency is a number, weekly workout frequency. Example 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, equipment, gym, body weight, dumbbells mixed. Okay, required equipment. That is the required equipment. Duration is planned duration in weeks. Example 4, 8, 12. Okay, end date, calculated ISO date string when the plan ends. Schedule, the core schedule mapping days to workouts. Okay, schedule workout. Okay, created at and is active. Okay, this is cool. So let me read out the entire thing, and then we can try to analyze it and see what we can change. This defines scheduled workout. This defines what specific workout is planned for a given day within the workout plan. Scheduled workout ID, name. ID is the unique identifier for the scheduled item. Name is display name. Example push day, upper day A. Okay, exercises, array of exercises names to be performed. Template ID, optional reference to a template ID if based on one. Target time morning, afternoon, evening, optional. Okay, and then user data container. This is the root object that holds all the user data, including the list of plans and the active plan reference. Okay. Workout plan, active plan ID, equipment, gym, body weight, dumbbells, etc. Frequency. Yeah, user relationship, user plans. A user has an array of workout plans in their user data. Active plan, the active plan ID is the user data points to one specific plan in the workout plans array. Plan schedule. Plan to schedule. Each workout plan has a schedule object. Schedule to workouts. The schedule object maps today's names. Okay. This is a bit confusing. The data model and the relationships all are a bit confusing for me. Now let's define it this way. I need to define what is a workout plan. What do you guys think about what is a workout plan? So for me, a workout plan is basically let's see. a workout plan is independent of any user. For me, a workout plan can be up, like for example, the push pull legs can be a workout plan. Doesn't matter who uses it, doesn't matter what alterations people does to it, and doesn't matter how I follow it. The plan is a plan. Basically, it provides the push pull legs based on the equipments provided. Probably push pull legs, gym. Okay, gym push pull legs, and there can be body weight push pull legs. I think that's a good thing to think about, I guess. Good way to think about it. Okay, and I hear most of the things are right. This doesn't depend on the user. There is an ID, unique identifier. It's good to have. Name, yes. Description, yes. Type, type doesn't have to be this one. Equipment could be, equipment tags could be this thing, either gym or body weight or dumbbells or mixed. Okay. Our equipment, we can have it in tier, I guess. Let's see. Like all the workouts can be performed as a body weight workout can be performed in the gym, or this can be like performed at kind of or facilities or equipment could be the right word as well. Let's remove this type and duration, approximate duration, plan duration in weeks. Okay. Okay. We don't have to have an end date to the plan. Plan is generic, so we definitely must remove end date and must remove type here, unless I am not able to think of any type. Workout type, I don't know. Probably we can put an array of muscle groups. That muscle groups also not required. A plan means I mean ideally it should cover everything. So yeah, it doesn't have to be. We don't have to have an end date. We don't have to have a type, I guess. But equipment is, yeah, a plan with an equipment, and created it is active. Yeah, these things are fine. So let's modify. Let's modify the plan. Planify the workout plan, and these plans are suppose are not user dependent. These can exist independent of the user. So why I'm saying this one is, like, let's say if someone logs into this one as an anonymous user, then also they should be able to view the plan. It's not like not required for tracking for a particular user only. Like, okay, there is a push pull legs in, like, whenever I'm doing the data modeling, I always go to the real world. So whenever we think of a plan, it's not like specific to one user. Like push pull legs, the same plan can be followed by hundreds of users. We can say that, okay, one person used to follow this. Probably, like I saw there were many workouts, like, okay, the actor who prepped for um, the 300 Spartans. Like there was Spartan workout plan, and probably when the actor was preparing for Man of Steel, how did he prepare for that one? When the actor prepared for Wolverine, the workout regime that he followed, all that can be plans, and that was listed out like as we follow in the gym. But it doesn't mean that it just belongs to that user. Anybody can follow the same plan. So these can exist independent of the user. Let's store it in the DB. And also remove the type and schedule, and what else? The schedule was, where did it go? Yeah, the schedule did not make sense. Monday, Tuesday. I don't know. Probably the schedule can be okay, I guess. Type and end date. Maybe I'll leave the schedule for now. End date. And the end date. Okay. Also create some example plans, like, let me bring up few of the workout plans. Let's go to ChatGPT to ask for generating few plans by providing this model. Okay. Okay, I hope you can view that screen. Yeah, now you can view that screen. This is the data model that I have for a workout plan that is used in my app. Okay, and I asked to remove the type, and I asked to remove the end date. Duration can be there. Yeah, end date. So now within this one, we should have all the workouts, like a list of workouts or list of sessions, like, right? Yeah. Let me ask the ChatGPT, define the data model to be standalone and not related to any user. So users should be able to have their own plan created. Provide the model in the same format, and also provide the test data for the workout plan. And also plan should contain the actual workouts, right? Like, I don't think this plan has a workout. So yeah. Plan also should consist of the workouts per session, like, for example, for push-pull legs, there must be a push day with certain workouts, pull day, and a leg day. Accommodate these information also in the data model. Yeah, let's see. Okay, it is thinking. So I think this way I think we will be able to make kind of final progress or good progress with the finalized versions rather than keep tweaking it like in the code and asking it to make smaller changes. Let's define the data model and then let's put it there, and then once it's final we can focus on the UI, and UI we can, I think I'm more comfortable just leaving it to the AI to modify the UI. Like I'm no expert in that. I mean, I knew how to code UI, but I think these AIs are doing fantastic job in designing those aesthetics much better than what I would have done. Okay, here we go. Here's a standalone user agnostic model with per session structure, push pull legs, and a separate user specific linkage. So each user can have their own plan instance. I'll keep it in all in the same tier style as used to. Okay. So now day of the week, export equipment type, day of the week. Okay. Gym, body weight, dumbbells mixed, and also you can add barbell and I mean, what is that? Kettlebells, um, and barbell rod with dumbbell or anything. I guess this should not be. This should be an array basically. And muscle group, chest, biceps. Yeah, okay. And session focus. Okay. Per session and per exercise structure. Session exercise unique within the plan, exercise name, barbell bench press, main muscle group targeted, optional secondary muscle groups. Okay, equipments, override plan level equipment if needed, number of working sets, target rep range per set, example. Okay, and rest seconds between sets. Exercise as it exists in a given plan. Okay, one workout session per day. One workout session per day, unique within the plan. Session push A. Okay, push day, chest, shoulders, and triceps focus. Push. And schedule structure, scheduled session, session ID, order if multiple sessions per day, is optional for optional cardio, and notes. Standalone user agnostic workout plan. It should look like this. User specific linkage, user workout plan ID, user plan ID, reference workout plan ID, custom name, user rename the version of the plan, started at, end set is active. Okay. Example test data. I think this looks good actually for my purpose. Only one thing what I could say is like the alternative workouts. We can include the alternative workouts for the model. So what do I mean? Here, like we have a session exercise, barbell bench press, like primary focus, secondary focus, equipment, and everything. Not every time we will have uh, the barbell stand, or what do you call that? That will be available to work out. There might be a big line, or we might be advised to not do that particular workout by the doctor or the physio. So we will pick another alternative workout instead of that. So let me just add all this information here. Let's define the workout plan this way in our data model. Okay, this one is fine. And then session exercise. Primary muscle group, secondary muscle group. Alternative exercise for the same muscle group. Basically, it is a string, which will be alternating exercise ID. Exercise that can be used to replace this one with replace with. Okay, so now we have the workout session data. Schedule structure. The schedule session is scheduled reference to a session of a given day. Order if multiple sessions per day and is optional. Schedule reference to a session of a given day. Workout session unique. Okay, push day, chest, shoulder, and what is the scheduled structure? Days to sessions. Standalone user agnostic plan. Okay, let's see where it is used. Schedule session. Schedule. The core schedule mapping days to one or more sessions. So K in days of week. Okay, this is how it will spread out in week basically. Schedule session ID, order is optional, notes. Okay, day one, what's the schedule section? The core schedule mapping days to one or more sessions. Okay. User specific linkage, we can add that later. Did we copy this one? Yeah, we did. Let's copy this one. Schedule session. And then let's copy this user agnostic workout plan. Workout plan. So workout plan. This okay. And user specific linkage. Let's provide it here. ID, user ID, and plan ID. Custom name. Do we have to provide a custom name? ID and user ID. User workout plan. Do we have to convert it to user's custom plan, or we can just say that user is following this plan? You have to, is there a necessity to save this one as user workout plan? Probably. Like somebody who creates a workout plan should be able to delete it, and somebody else who is referring to that should have a copy of their own plan that they followed this one like 6 months ago or something like that. So in order to provide that functionality, so that user also should have his own version of the plan. So let's save it as a plan. It's a good idea only. User's version of that workout plan. So it is keyed with the user foreign key. And then there is a reference workout plan ID as well. Example test data, ID plan people, 3-day push pull legs. Okay. Classic 3-day push pull. Okay. Sessions. Let's see. Session push day, chest. Okay. In push day, there are like these exercises: exercise barbell bench press, incline dumbbell press, seated barbell overhead press, all these things. Pull day, you have these things. Muscle group. Okay. All these workouts. And schedule session push, start of the week, focus on good form, order 1, session ID, session pull. Okay. Plans full body, 3-day minimal. Tick workout plan that includes plan metadata, sessions, and everything. Okay. The example data. Let's model our workout plan the same way as suggested. This message, delete everything else. Okay, let's make it easy for the. So I copied over everything from ChatGPT into the cursor, and let's also delete whatever the data we have. At least if there is some data that should be deleted, and also okay, let it generate first, and then what it does after that we can see. Also delete the redundant readme.md files or any other confusing information about workout plans. Okay, should I choose the best for this one? Probably Gemini 3 could be the best for this one. So let's go with this one. Let's see how it does. I don't think we will see anything in the UI much. So how do we think the user experience should be? As soon as the user come to the screen, no plan is selected, and then and nothing, this weekly schedule, nothing should be visible. It should just say no plan is selected, and then like probably provide the change plan or select a plan option. Yeah, I think that makes sense. Select a plan. Once the plan is selected, it will show this active plan, and then there is an option to change the plan, and also the weekly schedule. Once we have the weekly schedule, once we have the plan, it will just provide me the weekly schedule about which day, which one to follow. And then we don't need this quick options, browse templates and all that. Probably, I mean, without a plan also we should be able to work out, right? Like just pick a workout and then just browse templates and just get on to workout. Let's think about this one a little more, these quick options, but these two things are clear. If a plan is selected, these two should be visible. If a plan is not selected, user should be prompted to pick a plan. So these are the experiences for user after they select the plan. Otherwise also, let's go with the user who will have a plan first, and then we can define the experience for a user who doesn't want to stick to a plan, just want to follow and adopt workout scheduled for a gym. One day he will hit the gym and he wants to just pick body weight workouts or yeah, or anything. Yeah, is anybody watching? Yeah, looks like it's too late. But yeah. Oh, and it's marked as unlisted. That's a bummer. Let me see. Content, live, and public. It is public going on. Yeah. So let's see. It is doing a lot of job, but it is hard to understand from here when the things are going on. Okay, it deleted a readme at least, whatever. I asked the redundant things, template management features and all that. And then fix TypeScript errors in, okay, duplicate properties, fix TypeScript errors in helpers, workout plan creator, okay, all these things. Nice. Workout.ts has a lot of all the tags fine. Let's see what it is doing here. No change actually. Yeah, this is the hardest part in vibe coding, I guess. Like when the AI is doing the job and you cannot do much when it is thinking. It's easy to get distracted. Let's see. Like all I can do is like making sure that there are no errors introduced and it is stable as of now. And I saw the actually saw the file where it was created. Like basically then this workout.ts, all the types that we defined or all the types that we spoke are defined, not this workout.ts. This is under styles, but this workout.ts where it has literally everything that we define. Let's see if it included the alternative exercise. Yeah, alternative exercise string. Yeah, nice. And I'm not sure if it is creating a migration file for me to update the database. I'm managing the data in Superbase. Like I think you guys are familiar with that one. Let me uh, have a tour for the Superbase database, like how it is connected and what I'm using for and all that. Let's get back to this. How do you guys like the UI and the experience so far? Any comments about anything, maybe positive or any feedback that you need to provide? I know I have picked the most basic thing to work on. I just want to get it to the finish line so that I can work on the following follow-up ideas. Like basically after this one, I'm thinking this should provide us superpower or the ability to develop anything we want. One thing is, okay, this can be used by the community members to track their workouts, first thing. And also I would need something like this rather than paying $15 every month to fit pod. Yeah, so that's one good thing. And also, who knows, this might blow up, and if I make it better, I want everything to be in one place. Like, I don't want to use 100 apps for 100 different purposes, but it's easy to be clutter everything in the single app also. So I'll make informed decision as I move along. Like, for now, I have kept only like a challenges view, which is empty. Nothing's here yet. um, Challenges view, yeah. And then there is this workout view, which I'm most focused on now. And this history, this can come as part of this one, I guess. I'm not sure. Like, let me see. Upon clicking some button here, they should give this one in a model. But let me see. And the analytics also could be, since it is the analytics very specific to the workouts, it could be in the same tab also. But I'll see. Yeah, there's like, it's taking too much space actually. This is also kind of analytics, so why it requires an additional page, I don't know actually. You can provide some AI insights or things like that, suggestions, which might not even be accurate as of here. I want to badly add a nutrition tracker as well, like something basic I need. I track how much rice I eat, and how much carbs, and how much protein I consume every day. And I've started tracking the fiber content as well. So those three at least main things I need to track. In the same way, other people will have their own requirement. So this basic track, I should be able to just provide. I ate 100 gram of paneer tikka masala, and usually the app should be able to make an educative guess that in 100 grams of paneer tikka masala, this is the amount of cashew added, this is the amount of tomatoes, this is the amount of paneer, and the protein should be this much, and all that. So I think that much of accuracy should be good. If I mention just 50 grams of rice, so it should be able to see how much carb that I ate on that particular day. Okay, looks like it finished doing what we asked. Let's see the final summary, if not everything. Okay, this one saying data model updated for workout plans. I have successfully updated the data model. Okay, in source.types.workout to implement the structured plan system you requested. Okay, workout plan canonical user agnostic plan definition contains sessions array or library of sessions and a schedule map weekly distribution includes difficulty, frequency, equipment, and duration. User workout plan links a specific user to a workout plan, tracks started at, ends at, and is active status. Allows for a custom name override. Okay. Plan session and session exercise. Plan session defines a session workout routine. Example, push day A. Okay. Plan session defines a specific workout routine. Okay. Example, push day A with a focus, push pull legs, okay, etc. With a focus, push pull legs, etc. Session exercise, detailed exercise definition within a session, including sets, rep range, rest seconds, and alternative exercises. Schedule session maps a day of the week. Example, Monday to a planned session via session ID, includes ordering and optional notes or flags. Integration options, helper functions, updated template to plan to workout, and validate plan, and get workout for date in helpers to work with the new data structures. Type safety, fix all the TypeScript errors in the workout plan creator and planner components to align with the new user workout plan and workout plan separation. Okay, legacy compatibility, preserved workout set, all these things. This application's data layer is now ready to support advanced workout planning features like reusable templates, structured scheduling, and detailed session programming and detailed sessions design, tracking, etc. Okay, let's see the UI if there is any change. Okay, in the UI, there is no create plan option. Or if I change the plan, let's see if something changes in the experience. Transition, okay. Full body created, but it still says push pull legs as the active plan. Okay, nothing is there. So let's request thank you for creating the data model. Now update the UI to support this data model. User should be able to create a plan and publish it with the unique name to and make it available to public or keep it private for himself. Provide clear options for the users to create the workout plan. Make it easy to create and clearer to review what has created. Okay, make it clearer to review once he creates as well. Okay, so that should be able to create the plan. Okay, and once we have the clear options to create the plan, user always should have an option to pick an existing public plan and apply it to himself. Apply it to his profile. So the calendar of the user will be filled based on the new plan selected for the future workouts. Also, there should be a flexibility for the user to select the workout from the plan that he has chosen. This one, let's see, this one we can come back. Let's populate it the future workouts, and then we can come back to this one. Let's give it one, like a bit by bit to implement. Okay, now I need to have a clear plan creation UI rather than having some ambiguous UIs like this. Okay, where I can create plan and where I can at least have a plan for myself. Select a plan for myself. Start custom workout. Okay. Yeah, these are neat actually. I like the UI for some reason. How about you guys? Do you guys have any opinion? Not sure. If you have, share it with me. Okay, in the meantime, let's see if someone's looking. Okay, now since I have made public, there are few viewers. I see Himal Katka. Hi Himal. I think I'm pronouncing your name correct. Thank you for watching, and let me know if you have any questions, Himal. I'll be happy to help. And also, let's keep it interactive. let's not kid ourselves. Everybody is learning here. Me too. I'm also learning, and you're also learning. And I'm pretty sure the pundits who are like who are everywhere, who claim as know it all, also are learning something or the other. So yeah, feel free to post any questions or any opinions or any feedback that you have. I'll be happy to incorporate and keep it interactive with everybody. Wow, now it's working fast. Like this is a specific ask, and we got the response fast. Let's see. Workout plan creator updated. I have refactored the workout plan creator to support the new multi-step flow and public or private options. Multi-step wizard flow. Step indicator, visual progress tracker at the top 1 to 4, and logical progression, details, name, description, frequency, equipment, define individual workouts, example, push pull, map sessions, okay, to final check before creation. Okay, plan configuration options, frequency selector, tab to select days per week, equipment grid, visual cards for gym, dumbbells, body weight, okay. Removed standard versus custom logic. All plans are now custom built using the standard flow. Got it. Public versus private. Added a toggle to make the plan public, shared with community, or private personal use only. Visual feedback uses distinct icons. Globe versus clock. Globe versus lock. Nice. Updated the styling. This is nice. Use glass card. Okay. Next steps, implement the detailed sessions and schedule steps to allow adding specific exercises and mapping them to days. Yeah, nice. Connect the create plan actions to the on create plan function with the full data structure. The foundations for creating rich shareable workout plans is now in place. Users hands. Okay, let's see which UI it's created in. Let me see this one. Okay, so now there is some way to create a workout plan, but where is it? Where is it? Start custom workout, quick plan, view progress. Okay. Yeah, let's see. I'm not able to see where you have created the trigger to create workout plan. I would prefer it as an option available in the gym view, or you can create a separate workout planner tab. Okay, so I'll leave it up to the AI for now. Okay, workout planner tab where we can define workouts. Also, I'm saying also the user should be able to use an existing workout plan and tweak it and create his own version of the plan. So basically he can create each step in the workout plan manually or use a plan for reference and edit it. How does it sound? I think that makes it easy. Okay, let me see if there was anything that I missed. Okay, I don't think there was any option to create workout actually. So on create plan, connect the create plan action to the on create plan function with the full data structure. Okay, So create plan, let me see, where was it? Create plan, next step, footer actions, and these are in workout plan creator. And is it used anywhere? Workout plan creator. Okay, it is, looks like it is used in workout planner, and workout planner is used in gym view. Gym view in the return empty workout planner. Okay, okay, there is a workout planner, workout plan creator, but I don't think it is even showing up. Get from user preferences. Okay, let's see what it did. Okay, it's already completed. I have integrated the trigger for creating and managing the workout plans directly into the workout planner component, the main gym view. Okay, main gym view. Okay, it is hidden somewhere actually. I think these things are built on top of that one, so we are not able to see it. So that's wide coding for everyone. So you can clearly see, right? Like it's integrated in the gym view. Gym view is this particular tab. Whatever is rendering is the gym view. And how do I know it? How do I know it? Because I separated it. And gym view, when is it being rendered? Let's go. Let's go here. Yeah, you can see case gym, right? Case home means home view component. And then if it is gym, I had created for steps as well. That is another one. And for gym view, challenges view, history, we know history view. So yeah, let's go to gym view and see where we are missing it. Okay, workout plan component, the main gym component. Okay, and then active plan card, the hero. New access points, active plan card, the hero, manage button. Okay, active plan card. If a plan is active, a manage button appears, gear icon. Basically, this change button, I guess. This could be the one. This will eventually open a detailed plan management view. Create new plan button. If no plans is active, a large prominent create new plan will be active, will be there. Neon plan is displayed. Okay, neon button is displayed. Browse library below the creation button. There is now a clear link to browse plan library for users who want to pick an existing template. Direct access to the template picker. Quick entry for a single ad hoc workout session. Okay, and there are quick options. Refactor workout planner updated to use user workout plan type for the active plan. Okay, let's see now. Push pull change. Okay, now there is a workout planner. Let's, I think we can plan something, I guess. Private plan, body weight, summer plan. Let's see, end of the year goals. Okay, what is the goal of this plan? To stay in shape before the new year. Okay, 3 days. Yeah, that's ambitious too with the work that we do. Have full gym access, yes. And then should it be a private plan only visible to you? Yeah, let's mark it. Let's test the private plan. Next step, define your sessions. Here you will add the sessions like push A, legs, etc. coming in the next update. Okay, this is sensible way of creating. I like this way, like 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, nice, actually. Good job. So yeah, improved session state, no active plan state guides. Okay. The user flow is now much clearer. Open gym tab, no plan, see the big button create or browse. have a plan, see the programs, and manage the button. Next, I'll build out a workout plans library view so that the browse plan library is the destination. Let me reevaluate and take a different approach. The user wants to implement workout plans library view. I have already updated workout planner to have a link to browse plan library. I need to, okay, it's confused a little bit. Make directory workout plans. Okay, workout plans library and triggers integrated. My plans. User can switch between templates, public, and my plans private. Public and private tabs. Workout plans library. Let's close this one for now and then see. Browse templates instead of this one. Define your session. Oh, this is bad. If it just goes to next step, it is stuck there. Even if I close it and come back, it is stuck there. Yeah. So default plan card, okay, with 3 robust templates: push, pull, legs, full body, general, upper, lower, split, intermediate. Okay, and detail preview. Tapping a plan opens a detailed view showing frequency. Okay, all these things. Integration points, empty state trigger, gym view orchestration, updated gym view to manage show plan library state and handle plan selection. Plan activation, selecting a plan from the library correctly creates a new user workout plan. Okay, now what I'm thinking, okay, there is a change option, I know, but I directly came to create plan only, I guess. Like as soon as I click this one, change means create plan. Okay, I'll tell the same thing basically. As I have an active plan selected in my account by default. I click on the gear icon to change the plan. I was navigated directly to create a new plan rather than providing an option to select an existing plan or to create a new plan from an existing plan. Also, if I leave the create new plan in between, it redirects me back to where I left rather than saving the partially created plan, or either it should save the partially created plan or asking me to discard the progress in plan creation. Yeah, this is the right behavior. Anybody object? Himal, you're saying you are curious about my prompt. What are you curious about? Plain English and provide as much context as possible. Let me know if you want to know more about my process, or if you have any suggestions or feedbacks for me. Okay, it came back with something. Let's see what what cursor came back with. Plan management and creation flows enhanced. Have significantly improved the plan management experience, making it more intuitive and flexible based on your feedback. Smart manage button. Previous behavior, clicking the gear icon immediately forced you into the create new plan flow, which was confusing if you just wanted to switch or edit plans. New behavior, clicking manage gear icon or an active plan now opens a dedicated plan management menu. Okay. Edit current plan, modify the schedule or sessions of your of your active plan. Change plan, switch to a different plan from your library. End plan, archive the current plan. Save progress in the plan creator. Draft persistence, if you start creating a plan and close the model, your progress is now saved automatically. When you return, you pick up right where you left off. Discard option, added a clear reset or discard option if you want to start fresh. Okay. Create from existing option, duplicate and edit. If the plan library accessed via change plan or browse template, selecting a plan now offers a customized copy option. This copies the template into your private plans and opens the editor, allowing you to tweak it without starting from scratch. Contextual plans, the active plan card now intelligently shows relevant actions. No plan, create new or browse library. Okay, active plan, manage and view schedule. These changes ensure users are never trapped in a creation loop and always have control over their planning workflow. Okay, control over their workout journey, plan and okay, plans, etc. Okay, let's see a demo. And let me hit a refresh once. Okay, the app is reloading. Okay, we are in the home page. Let's go to the and then change. What is this? Again, it forced me to the creation screen only. And here it clearly said it did not. Let me rebuild it. npm start. Okay, and I click on okay. Here I came to the view here, clicked on change. Okay, clicking on change is taking me to the create new plan still. What am I missing? Can you troubleshoot? So this is whiteboarding, but I think we might have to dive deep if it doesn't provide the convincing answer now. I selected Grok because it was a unilateral perspective until now. So for design, I'll come back to probably Gemini because it has been providing the design and I'm happy with it. But yeah, for the logic, let's see now. And what am I looking into change. So when I click on change, okay, there is a lot of this thing. Change with capital letters. Okay, I just selected the capitalization to match the case. So there were a lot of other change which were case insensitive. So here, active plan. If there is an active plan, then the button name is change, or else the button name is create. On edit plan, on change plan. Okay. Okay. If we have set plan show plan library, then this workout plan library will become visible. So this one has user plans and workout plan creator and everything. So, but basically workout plan creator is visible by default. I think that's why I'm not able to see the other options. But now it should correct it. Okay, let's see. Now I think we got this one. Let's learn about how the actions are being chosen or performed also. That is important. Like that is kind of interesting here. Like I see the code is much neater now. Like from where I started from a single file at in app.tsx, there were like 3,000 lines of code or 4,000 lines of code, including the styles and everything in line. Now we have broken down and we have built a lot more features, and now it is getting to a state where it is much more maintainable. So wow, I'm seeing create new plan now. Yeah, now since we are not browsing the code anymore, I'll show that view what I'm seeing. Nice, right? No active plan. So next thing is I need to determine where this active plan is stored in. We can go to the database layer but for now all I'm thinking is there should be an option to create a plan irrespective of the user, and that end-to-end flow uh, should be knocked out, and then we can come to associating a plan with the user and how all that end-to-end flow works out. Okay. um, is it grok which is taking more time, but it did the job what I asked rather than just beating around the bush again and again. So yeah, that's good. Yeah, these models are new to me as well. Like at work, I think I use mostly the like I never select the uh, model by myself. I usually put max mode and probably keep to Sonnet 4.5. And when I have less tokens, I'll keep it to one of the GPT ones. But yeah, now I'm experimenting with Grok and Gemini more often. But yeah, occasionally I use code example when I don't have any more tokens left here. So yeah, but I cannot assess which one is best or which one is this one isn't good or this one's good. Usually, I liked Gemini overall. I'm happy with that, and I have hits and misses with Codex and Grok. Actually, have started using it recently, mainly because I saw there was some free tokens. So I experimented and it worked out. Like I was stuck with something in Gemini, and I used Grok, and it provided me or started providing a different perspective. So I was able to unblock myself with that one. So it's good. It's not finished yet, but I think we can start using it. I can't wait for it to finish. Workout planner. Get workout for date. Okay. I hope it didn't modify the existing plan. I think I should like after I started live streaming, stopped staging my changes, so I didn't get to any kind of considerable or stable state. So once I have this end-to-end plan lifecycle working, I'll stage the changes and then I'll move on to linking it with the user. I don't want to lose my progress after I get that. So that is something which we need to keep in mind when we are working with vibe code, and I don't provide access for this um, console or the prompt to AI to pollute or contribute to my Git history, because yeah, like I want to save my I think Git is the easier way to save our progress, so I don't want that also to be automated here. So let's see what all was done. Issue fixed, plan management menu now working. What was wrong? The change button in workout planner was calling on create plan directly. Okay. This bypassed any plan management options and went straight to plan creation. Users had no way to edit. Okay, yeah, I got it. What I fixed, created a plan management menu component. Nice. Um, nice. Actually, nice. Plan management menu component. And edit current plan, modify sessions and schedule active plan, change plan, switch to a different plan from library, create from existing, duplicate and customize an existing plan, end plan, archive the current plan. Nice, clean UI, class model with clear action, buttons and descriptions, updated workout panel components, changed the change button behavior now opens the plan management. Nice. Added new props on edit. Okay, these are great. Fixed data model now properly handles user workload. This is looking great if it has achieved all that. Enhanced gym view logic. Added menu handlers, handle edit plan, handle change plan. We saw this thing, handle edit plan. Yeah, all these things are nice. Use workout plans, activate active plan ID. Okay, proper plan activate. Deactivation uses the new data model. Okay, before click change directly to create new plan. After click change plan management menu with options, edit the current plan, change the plan, or create from existing duplicate one, or end the plan. Fix the TypeScript errors, updated the prop types to match the new workout plan and use workout plan, corrected data access patterns. Okay, nice. Added proper null checks and fallbacks. This app is now running and you should be able to. Nice, all good. So let me refresh once again. And yeah, let's go back to the gym view. Now it says no active plan selected. And then it has a create option, create button since nothing is selected. And then there is a big create new plan as well. And then browse plan library. So this is not plan library actually. This is the workout templates. So this is something which we need to provide as a feedback. Browse plan library is taking us to individual session workout templates and not to the plan library. Plan library should have the view to display the existing plan that the user has access to, and probably we can come up with the logic to display the most relevant one. Okay, why I'm saying this one is if in the world there can be like 100 million users that we can get, we don't want to show each user's plans there if they make it public. We need a way to sort it out. So our query as well, right? Like we don't want to query all the 10,000 plans for every user who opens that window. So we need to have some relevant plans cached in, and if the user asks to refresh, then we can bring more relevant ones based on some filter criteria that is provided. That's another one. We can dive deep into that one. But let's see now. This one was not did not work for us. This is basically browse templates actually, browse plan library. We can come to that, but let's click on create plan. I think both are hooked into the same thing, I hope. So yeah, create plan. It did not give me an option to create from an existing plan. Let's see this one. Create. Okay, this one is not even doing anything. The create button with a gear when no plan is active isn't responding, isn't doing anything upon click. Okay, let's create this one. Here and thread. There you go. Thanksgiving meal calories. Okay. Full gym private plan. Next step, define your sessions. Here you will add the sessions like push A. Okay. Coming in the next update. Okay. And next step, weekly schedule. Map your sessions to a specific days of the week coming in the next update. And ready to publish year-end shred frequency. Okay. created the plan. No active plan selected. And then create. This one again took me to create the plan. Okay, so Grok promised a lot, but it didn't deliver much. Let's provide this feedback first, and then we can go to fix the create new plan or what is needed there. Are you guys having fun? Like, is Himal still there? I see that he had few comments. Yeah, I would be happy to chat about anything. I see there are few viewers. Can you tell me like where are you guys from and what are you interested in the stream or what are you interested in general to watch like other than this? I think that would give me a good data point for planning my next session. I'm interested in like currently I'm working as a staff software engineer, and in my free time, I live stream. I use this live stream as a means to learn something new. Currently, I'm focused on learning about AI. I keep live streaming some of my learning sessions there as well. I need to uh, kind of uh, make make the content a little more cleaner. I'm not getting time these days, but I will make sure to make time. I think that's no excuse to have a crappier content. I'll try to come up with the proper strategy to generate clear content for AI learning. That is for sure. And also, I'm planning to have this vibe coding session because this is one thing like that I'm enjoying actually. I need to publish more and more apps. This is like a superpower that we have, and we need to make the most out of it, I guess. And I want to get used to this ecosystem and all these new tools and everything. So this is a way to learn and also to teach. So I'm learning. Um, okay, there is master bait. I wanted to know something like you want something. Think when using the AI agents on VS Code versus Cursor. I feel Cursor takes way too much time. Okay. Actually, I have used Windsurf and Cursor, and what else? I have used GitHub Copilot, and yeah, actually, uh, I have used Windsurf plugin on VS Code, and also I have used Codex on VS Code as well. Actually, to be honest, I don't see any change in performance point of view. Like it depends solely on the model that we choose, um, not the IDE. Actually, I think if I'm not wrong, Cursor is also built on VS Code only. So it is mostly about the model that we pick rather than the actual IDE. GitHub Copilot, when I used, was basic, like it wouldn't take much time to come back with an answer. But these Grok Code, GPT-3, and this Codex ones are like a little bit advanced and more thinking models. That's why they take more time, and also they are capable of doing a lot more than what GitHub Copilot used to do in one stretch. Disclaimer, I haven't used the Copilot recently in recent days. I've been mostly hooked to Cursor and Windsurf these days. What's your experience? Where do you work and what kind of projects you guys are working on? It's interesting to see the viewers at this time. I don't know like the location that you guys are you guys have joined from. But anyway, thanks for joining and making the live stream more interesting. I'm now more enthusiastic to work on it since I have company here. Interesting name, Master Bait. uh, yeah, Himal Khadka N5R. Nice. Uh, let's see. If Grok doesn't work as it promises next, we need to switch to something else. Let's see. Okay, Masturbate is working on an AI company based in Bangalore. Oh, and I have been integrating AI automations in existing process. Nice, Masturbate. Like I can learn from you actually. You must be more experienced in the domain or in the field than me. In my day job, I'm working as a backend engineer. Um, uh, I'm working at staff level. I have been working as a software engineer since almost like 12 plus years or around 12 years. So yeah, this is, but these tools are new for me. AI is new for me, and I'm trying to learn and stay updated. But these tools are like, I started using it like almost an year ago, like day in, day out. Yeah, my experience is like yours only. I started with GitHub Copilot and then started using Windsurf Cursor and all these things. And yeah, I think Gemini and everything is new anyway. And which company do you work in? Work at Masturbate. Masturbate is kind of weird to call the name, but yeah, let me know if I can call you by your name. Uh, if you have a name. And interesting fact is I'm from Bangalore actually. Currently I live in Seattle, but originally I'm from Bangalore. NVIDIA, nice. Good to know. Let me know if you have any suggestions for the content or if you have any feedback on what things I should focus on, or if you would like to see more of the live streams or more of the curated content post live stream. I'm not able to make up time for editing the content and then present it in a more polished format, but this is something I want to do. I want to learn, and through like by this means, by live streaming, I'm trying to keep myself accountable. My volume is very slow or very low. Yeah, probably because my mic is a bit far. Thank you. Yeah, those kind of feedbacks are most welcome actually. That would help. So I think I brought my mic a little bit nearby, so it should be better, I feel. Let me have a test. Is it better? Yeah, but thanks for hanging out. And I think it's still a daytime in India, Bangalore, right? How come you are able to make time for me or my live stream? And thanks for confirming though. Okay, it's 12:52 p.m. Yeah, lunchtime. But thanks, man, like for watching during your break time. I think this is a huge encouragement for me, like to keep going and keep learning. I would try my best to contribute back to the community as and when possible, or if anybody needs anything from me. These are like some test apps that I've started creating. I have some plans for building few AI enabled applications. But yeah, like uh, I want to figure out the distribution channels, and I want to figure out the uh, process and everything. So this is a good means, I guess, good practice. So I'm hanging out here. Yeah, let's get back to our vibe coding and see what Grok did, and did it provide anything useful here. Okay, I've resolved both both issues you mentioned. Okay, clicking the browse plan library was opening individual session workouts templates instead of the plan library. Updated the button to call on browse plans instead of on load template, which is now properly opens the workout plans library component showing complete workout plans. Let's see if this one is fixed first. Okay, issue one. Okay, okay, browse plan library. Nice, at least one thing. Nice, this is interesting. Uh, Templates and my plans. Okay, create new. Okay, create new plan. Nice. I like this. Okay, I have the templates, full body, general, push, pull legs, and upper. This is always my favorite. That something which I follow. Oh, clicking on the plan template isn't responding. Let's have that feedback. Clicking on the plan template in the browse plans isn't working. Okay, so that is one feedback. What's the next issue? But it is a progress, man. Progress, guys. So here, browse plan library, and we can see the plans. At least we had 3 plans, right? 3x a week, intermediate, 4x. This is good information, and I like the presentation as well. It is neat. And here they have something's going on, glitch going on in the uh, button text here. I'm sure it is create new, I guess. You haven't created any custom plans yet. Okay, let's get back to this one. Issue 2, create button with gear. The create new button in the plan library when no user plan exists. What was incorrectly calling on close instead of opening the plan creator. Added on create new prop to workout plans library and updated the button to properly open the workout plan creator model. Okay, this is nice. Let's test this one out as well. Yeah, close it, close this. Okay, now create, now create, now it didn't work. Don't like rock. So okay, it's still loading. So came back here, create, not working. Okay, so clicking on the create button with gear in front of where was it, in front of no active plan, no active plan isn't working, or isn't responding. Well, we can try to debug, but let's give it to the gentleman here, Grok. When Elon Musk can solve our problem, why bother by ourselves? If Elon Musk is unable to solve, then we can go and solve it by ourselves. Do you guys agree? Let's get back to the conversation with here. Okay, they have a suggestion. Is this cursor? Yeah, Amit, this is cursor that I'm using. And welcome, Amit, to the live stream. I'm trying to build some basic app, but I'll keep up with this one. If you have any suggestions and feedback, you're most welcome. And thanks for being interactive here. One more suggestion from Master Bait. Uh, your video cutout is rectangle, which feels kind of amateur. Use something like circular and not on top, not on topless, but somewhere where we can see the complete thing, like on down left. Yeah, I think feedback taken, masturbate. I had a circular library. I was using it in my Mac Mini. I was using the OBS. OBS is the editor. OBS is the tool that I use to record my screen. I had that set up and some plugins and everything. But my Mac Mini is a bit old now, and I'm not able to run these cursors. And cursor, I think, uses a lot of CPU, and also OBS uses a lot of CPU. So I moved over to another new Mac, and that is also overwhelmed a little actually. But yeah, not providing the reasons. I'll incorporate it. I'll make it circular next time I live stream for sure. And another one is a quick fix. I think I will move it to left bottom rather than left top. I usually keep it at right bottom, but now right bottom is the most prominent thing I'm using with this cursor. So I'll move it to left bottom. That's a good idea actually. Let me fix now. Where is it? Mood. Yeah. Thank you for calling it out. I'll make it circular as well next time. Okay, let's see. Identifying the button issue. What you doing, Grok? I wish Grok was interactive. Like when it is doing something, I think it might be. Let's see if I can enable it, enable the audio, what it is thinking, what it is doing, like ChatGPT. If it was interactive, our live stream could have been more interactive as well. Completed, debug the create button, exploring, perfect. I have fixed both issues. Okay, let's see. This time, every time it's promising me that it's fixed all the issues, but we are making progress, so I'm not complaining. We are making progress. Plan template selection not working. Clicking on the plan template is in the browse plans wasn't working effectively. Fix redesigned the plan cards in workout plans library to include direct start plan button. Each plan card has a prominent orange start plan button that immediately starts the selected plan. Okay, details view. Tapping the current card area still shows the detailed plan selection for users who want to learn more before committing. Better UX, users can now quickly start plans without navigating through extra screens. Got it. This is neat if it is done. So let's go back there. Okay. And let me refresh it once, just in case. Okay. Came back. Gym view, browse plan library. Now we have these things. And if we want to see details, push pull legs, we have a weekly schedule here, 3 times a week, 8 weeks duration and intermediate. Monday push A, Wednesday pull A, Friday legs A. Okay, Monday push A, what workouts are there? Okay, that is not visible. But yeah, it's a good enough information actually. But if it had the information about what exact workouts also, that would have been more beneficial. Rest day, rest day, rest day. Yeah, and later on I need to make it um, more flexible or adaptive as well, but I'll come back to this one. For now, all I'm focused on is Monday push A, Wednesday push legs. So I need to see more details about what 5 exercises. Okay. Issue 1 seems to be fixed, but I am not able to view the exercises that are part of the session. Okay, that are part of the I think be part of the session in a day when I view the plan. Okay, this is one feedback. Okay, next thing is, okay, let me close this one and let's go back to the library. Okay, I don't want to start the plan yet. I want to see if the second issue was fixed first before going to that one. Create button with gear icon. There was a mysterious create button with gear in front of no active that wasn't working. That gear icon was always displayed. Gear icon button was always displayed regardless of whether there was an active plan or not. When no plan was active, it showed create. Okay, but clicking it did nothing because plan management menu requires an active plan to function. Okay, modified the conditional rendering so the gear button only appears when there is an active plan. With active plan shows change button with gear icon opens plan management menu. No active plan shows only no active plans text with separate create new plan and browse plan library options below. Okay, yeah, that button disappeared now. So we have the browse plan and here. Okay, and we have the create new plan, the same thing we have here. Yeah, and also my plan, my test, my plan. Okay, let's mark it as demo 1. And let me copy the same text to description. 3x, let's make it 5x a week, and let's pick it as just body weight, private plan, and then next step. Okay, it's not supported yet. And ready to publish. Yes, create plan, demo 1, my plan created successfully. Okay, now let's browse the plan library. Okay, let's plan library. Like when I went into the details of this one, it is stuck here. In the plan library, in the browse plans, if I close the modal in the details screen, when I come back, it is forwarding me to the detail screen only. I would have liked it to come back, navigate me back from the original list of options or list of workout plans. Let's not confuse it further. Okay. So let's start this plan and see what happens now. Started push pull legs. Okay, now the plan is selected here. Classic 3-day rotating split focusing on movement patterns ideal for intermediate lifters. Okay, so now this is clean. I don't have any complaints with this component. And then let's see, click on change. Nice. Edit current plan, change plan, create from existing, and end plan. Let's make it change plan. Okay, and let's go back to library, full body general, and then 4 weeks, 3x a week, full body A, full body B, and full body C. And let's start this plan. Okay, now it's selected full body general. Great for beginners or those with limited time. Hits every muscle group 3x a week. Nice. Let's change this one again and let's edit the current plan. Plan editor coming soon. Okay, but it is neat. I mean, even it's not implemented, it is giving me proper messaging. That is good. And change plan worked already. We tested. Create from existing and end plan. Create from existing. Okay, here, how can we create from this one? No, we cannot create from existing, but let's close this one. Even create from existing is not working, but I can make a node of these things actually. Where should we make a node? I should have a Notion template, a Notion page for this. Login. Okay. Okay, let me make a note of it somewhere now for now, and later I'll organize or share it. So one thing is, but those are not stoppers according to me for now. When I click on change, edit current plan is not working, create from existing is not working, but I'm able to create a plan separately, and also I'm able to view this one. Okay, edit current, what is this? Hyperfit one. When change plan is clicked, edit current plan isn't implemented yet, and then create plan from current, from existing, isn't working or isn't uh, working as expected. Okay, or doesn't even have the options, basically doesn't have the option. Okay, and another thing was I couldn't ignore, and also end plan. Let's test it. Full body general ended. Okay, now no active plan again. Let's browse the plan, and then I created a plan actually. My plans. Okay, my plans push full body general, and then push pull legs. I created another one um, which was something my plan or something demo plan. So that is not there. So let me see. In the browse plan, if I close the modal screen, when I come back, it is okay. Issue 1 seems to be fixed, but I'm not able to view the exercises that are part of the session in the same day. Okay. And next thing is I'm not able to view the plans that I have created and marked as private. Only the ones I selected from the standard are available to view. Okay. So yeah, I provided the feedback. Now we can go back to the chat and see if anybody has any messages. Masturbate. Thanks you. Thanks, man. Wish you best of luck on your journey. Thanks, man. Thanks. And wish you good luck as well. And yeah, I would appreciate your feedback. And you are working in integrating AI automations in the existing processes. That seems interesting. I would love to know more about what you are working on and what you are learning. Yeah. And Amit, let's see, Amit, I have experienced when it says it has created, it does actually make the change, but it forgets to make the connections or creates a parallel system. Amit, yeah. Experienced when it says it has created, it does actually make the change, but it forgets to make the connection and creates a parallel system. Yeah, it does a lot, quite a lot. I think this plan and everything was in background like until I started this live stream, and there was no connection. And also whatever was there in the background was I did not know the design of those. I had to rewrite the models for all those things, and now trying to create the connection one by one. I think even though we are vibe coding, we cannot like fly fast actually, like as we think we can. If we are trying to fly, basically we can fly with a lot of bugs. Otherwise, we have to be cautious and we have to make sure it's working at every step and move forward cautiously. Yeah, let's see. Now Grok came back. Okay, all issues fixed, plan details, state persistence. Issue 1, when viewing a plan's details, you couldn't see the actual exercises within the session. Enhance the weekly schedule display to show the exercise details. Each session now shows first 3 exercises with name and format bench press, 3 cross squats, and etc. Overflow indicator shows plus X more exercises if there are more than 3. Let's see that one. Browse plan library, push pull legs. Okay, push 5 exercises plus 2 more exercises. Okay, it just says this one, and then pull. Okay, 2 more exercises. Nice, not bad. I think I can work with this for now. Yeah, and also let's go back there. Issue 2, when closing the plan details model and reopening the browse plans, it would take you back to the details screen instead of the main list. Added automatic state reset when the model opens. Selected plan is cleared when model becomes visible. Active tab resets to public templates. Reopening browse plans always starts at the main plan list. Let's see. Okay, I went to the full body general, closed it from there. Again, it reset back to nice. Good job, Rock. So now you understood my feedbacks and you have been implementing it fast. Okay, so I confirm both are fixed. Issue 3, private plans not visible. User created plans marked as private weren't showing in the browse plans. The browse plans was only looking at user workout plans, template based plans instead of workout plans. All user created plans. Updated data source to show all user created plans from data.workout plans, which includes plans created via the plan creator, plans selected from templates, and both public and private. Let's see. Browse plans. Okay, my plans. Push pull legs. So many. Demo 1, my plan, full body, year and shred, push pull legs. Yeah, there are a lot of ones we have created here, but these are like how to, I don't know, like I'll take it as a back like as a backlog item. Like I don't want to keep referring to these, but okay, I'll start one of these plans. Let's see. But nothing is applied to my calendar actually. Even after I started the plan, it should apply what should be Monday, Tuesday, and Friday, but it is not applying yet. So that's what I'll be focusing on. But I'll make a note that, okay, there are duplicate. Like when I save plan or when I activate a plan, it is creating a new instance of an existing plan and copying it over again and again. It over again and again. If there exists a copy of the plan, make use of the same one. But yeah, again, then we need to reference from the original one. I think it's okay to refer from the original one, I guess. Original one from which it was created, rather than duplicating it again and again, as in when we activate it. Yeah, I think that should do. Otherwise what will happen? Otherwise we keep creating the copy with the same name, and that would be like useless information there. And the other way around is, if we have a reference for copy, it will act as a version set. Like even if the original plan was erased, or basically even if it was deleted by the original creator, we will have the copy saved as our plan, and there will be only one instance of it. Make sure there is only one instance of it per user. Okay, these are some things I have taken as a feedback, and let's see next. Okay, improved plan library. Each card plan has a start plan button for immediate activation. Tap plan cards to see fuel exercises and breakdowns, and showed all the custom created plans. Nice. Shows default workout plans. Okay. Each plan card has a start plan button. Nice. So now two things. I think I'm happy with this progress somewhat. Like I'm at a stage where I don't want to lose this progress now. So nothing in here. Okay. So plan creation process. I'll just stage this commit as of now. Let's see. Okay. Git add. What is this one? source child workout ts dot backup. Might not be used, might be unused, but let me ask if the workout.ts.backup is being used. If not, delete it. File was not being imported or referenced anywhere in the code base, so I have safely deleted it to clean up the workspace. Okay. Okay, that was not used and deleted. So let me stage the changes now. Okay. There are so many changes actually. Yeah, there are too many changes. Template features. Yeah. Git add source. Other than source, there are git add. Okay, that's the deleted file. We should not miss any opportunity to delete any file that is not being used. Okay, I want to commit package.json, package.json, app.json, and everything except for this one. So I can just revert that. Git add dot. Git restore staged. supabase.config.js. Okay, and then I'll click commit. What is that? Template plan creation. Workout planner feature basic version. Okay, implement workout planner feature basic version. I'm very particular about my git commit messages, so let's follow that. Implement workout planner feature with basic version. Planner feature basic version. Basic version, I think it's implement first commit in that one, so I should be fine. Implement workout planner feature. Okay, let me commit this. Okay, we just have the supervised config. I have my keys and URL in that one, so yeah, I haven't been pushing it or staging it. So let's go back to our emulator now, and let's try to move forward. So what next? What next is basically I wanted this one to be like the selected workout plan to be populating my future calendar days also. but that's not happening. So let's see. Selected workout. The selected workout plan or workout plan isn't populating my calendar view for future days. Let's get this working. Yeah, after selecting a plan. Also, when I go to the gym, now also when I go to the gym and click on start workout, it should look from my calendars next workout view and suggest me that if I want to change, I should be able to select a day out of my plan and do a cardio or lightweight workout outside of the plan. Basically what I'm trying to accommodate here is, even if I have selected a plan and let's say like my plan is for 3x a week, and if one of the weeks I need to go, I have time to go to the gym for 4 days, and I just hit the gym and do some light cardio or core workouts and or just run or do some body weight workouts and come back home. I should be able to track those as well, but without disrupting the plan. Or also, if I am not following the plan, also if I couldn't follow the plan in a particular week, I should be able to go with it as it is. Yeah, if I finish a session the days before it is scheduled, should be able to select it and mark as completed too. Yeah, I think this is a good feature to have. Let's see how much progress Grok will do without wow, agent review. There is a automatic agent review here, and it always finds some issues. But now since I split the code and we made a big change, and then after pushing that code, it found no issues. That's great, actually. That's a great news. I can't tell what's the importance of it. Like, I can't express so much. Yeah, let's see. These are the features. I think yeah, now what I have asked Grok to implement is basically as soon as I select a plan, let's say from full body plan, I try to change to something else. And then if it has something scheduled like for Tuesday, Wednesday, or Thursday, I should be able to see that in my calendar. And also when I go to gym, it should suggest a workout for me to track, or I should have the option to flexibly choose what I want to track as well, whether I want to track the same plan or whether I want to track something else altogether. So let's see. Amita is still there. Um, it is fun to hang out here, and when someone's interactive, actually there is a lot of time we get in the vibe coding session. I guess I'll make it a regular thing, and we can develop something meaningful, and I'll have fun like talking to the people. Like, yeah, there are some talented people who I can learn from as well. Like, and there was some interesting conversation going on about the experience in VS Code and Cursor and all that. Yeah, let's see. Okay. Okay, there are few people watching now. Let's see if you have any questions. I've been trying to keep it interactive. There were few people who are like coming in, joining, and then leaving as per their preferences or as per their convenience, which is good, and it is keeping me uh, interested in the alive. So, just to provide context again, I'm trying to vibe code and develop a fitness app. Like you can see it on the screen now, like which is shared. I have some basic UI like where I have home view. This will come. This is not final yet. This will go with a lot of changes. I think by the final state, and there's nothing here yet. And in the gym view, I think I'm making progress here mainly. Like I'm making now I'm working on to create a plan and how the plan should be changed, or plan should be created, or plan should be activated. And the calendar, just now I provided a prompt to Grok to like whenever I select a plan, let's say I have to change a plan, and I will change upper lower split this plan. We can see what's there in the plan also. Weekly schedule, upper body on Monday, lower body on Tuesday, Thursday, and Friday, upper body and lower body. Rest day in between. Nice. So I like this plan. So I want to select this plan. After I started this plan, nothing is populated in my calendar here. I want this to populate that calendar as well. And then next I'll go to tracking the workouts. Once I track the workouts, I think it's easier to populate the history. That is kind of obvious. It's just how the experience would be. And then analytics as well. It should provide proper analytics after we track the workouts. So let's see. And this is cool, right? Yeah. Let me know if you like something here, or if you dislike something here, if something can be improved as well. So I don't know. It's doesn't say if it is doing anything. Continue without reverting. Okay. changed in workout planner and planning the next moves. Now I need to check the home view as well to see if it has the same issue. Grep get workout data, okay. I need to fix it. Home view, okay. Need to address the other requirements. Let's see. The app should suggest the next workout due when okay. Investigating workout logic when visible work. Add logic to automatically okay. Fix the workout get workout for date function calls to pass use workout plan instead of workout plan. Okay. Add logic to automatically suggest next due workout when entering gym view. Okay. Allow users to select any day from their plan for workouts. Okay. Allow users to do cardio or light workouts outside of their plan. Allow completing sessions before their scheduled date. Yeah. Yeah. I think it made it more intuitive than how I entered the requirement. That is cool actually. The steps, the way it's divided to steps, this is more intuitive actually than the prompt that I provided. That is good. Hi Amit and hi Master Bait. Uh, Hi Bait. So if you have liked the live stream and if you like to hang out here and the vibe of it, please do come back whenever you have time to hang out and suggest me the content that I need to present and also yeah, keep me posted, keep it interactive, and try to like or share or subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Thank you for hanging out and making it kind of a successful live stream already. Okay. Let's see. Gym view. Okay, I can see that the day circles are already clickable. I see they show the start session button. Okay. Are you guys able to see if anything changed? Active plan, next workout due, lower body, upper lower split change. Isn't this cool? Isn't this cool? I love this one now. Like okay, now my calendar shows what workouts are due for me and my current active plan and also the next workout due. Start this workout or provide an I think I have asked Grok to provide an option to start a different workout instead of this one as well. If I'm in no mood to do the upper body or lower body or whatever, like if I want to change the workout, not the entire plan, just for that day I need to record something else or log something else, that should be there. Nice. Implement the functionality to allow completing. Okay, let's see what all it implemented. Okay, now it is still implementing, adding the logic to automatically suggest the next due workout when entering the gym view. Allow users to select any day from their workout. Okay. Okay, finished. Okay. Let's see here. All calendar and workout sessions section selection issues are fixed. I have successfully implemented all the requested features for the workout plan calendar integration and flexible workout selection. Issue 1 calendar population. Okay. Selected workout plans weren't populating the calendar view for the future days. Now it is populating it for the future days. So this one upper lower body split has Monday, Tuesday, and Thursday and Friday. So Tuesday and Thursday and Friday are there. Okay, nice. Next workout configuration. This I think we can mark it as complete. If we have doubt, we can test it by changing a plan. Let's see. Let's make it push pull legs. This is 3 times a week. Okay, push pull legs. This has workouts on Monday, Wednesday, and Friday only, 3 days a week. So there's nothing on Tuesday here. Nice. Love it. So this is cool. Now next thing here, next workout suggestion. When entering the gym, there was no automatic suggestion for the next due workout. Added a prominent next workout due card that appears at the top of the workout planner, showing next scheduled workout name and details. Days until due, today, tomorrow, in next days. One click, start this workout button. Okay, this is nice. Let's see. Property active plan doesn't exist. Active user plan doesn't exist. Okay, this is good. Now it failed. Let's copy this. This is shown when we click on start workout. Okay, and then let's see if we can reload it and test it further so that we can provide the feedback together for everything. Okay, I reloaded. Still opening the project. Is anybody hanging out still? Okay, in my local time it's 12:02 a.m. Yeah, I rarely get time to live stream, so I'm making the most of it. I'll come back soon with either AI learning live stream or vibe coding. I want to continue this one. I like the app, the way it is shaping up to be. I think better than what I expected when I started. So let's keep up the momentum and let's see it to completion. Opening the project. Okay, open it fast. Okay, let's just fix this one. And then let me copy these ones too. I need to test these ones. Okay, I need to test these things. Let's copy it to a separate page. And also the user is getting a reference error in the gym view. Okay, I'm referencing to active user. Okay, grabbed, I see. Active user plan is defined locally. Okay, this is fun. I think everybody should try this. Try to build something and comment here what you are planning to build. Anything. You must be using some or the other app in your day-to-day life. Try to build it and use it for free for yourself or distribute it to your first level of network or your friends or family. Just just implement something. Go ahead, do it. uh, Man, I wish I could spend most of my time like this. This is super fun. not building for pressure, or not building for somebody else's vision, or building for your own vision. Sometimes it's fun to build for others' vision as well, and there is a lot of learning in that as well. That has made it possible for me to build it here as well with the good quality and everything. But yeah, not complaining actually. Everything is all right. You have seen Three Idiots, right? All is well. All is well. So yeah, if I'm able to keep up the interest and code at this time, it's all well. Okay. Okay, Elon, where is it? Have you fixed it? How much time you are taking to fix your own bug? I don't know. I don't know how many people will get offended if I use Elon, or how many people might be offended that I'm making Elon work for my simple app. Elon, if you are watching, let me know what you feel about it. I think there are few viewers now. Must be Elon Musk and me. Who knows? Okay, enough with the delusion. Now let's get back to building. Okay. So I didn't mention, right? Like while building an app, I'm building it as an Expo app in React Native. And an Expo app means it can run on iPhone as well as Android both. I think next live stream I'll try to explain those basics, and then I'll start the live stream. So that way user will have much more context to sit through the live stream and probably build it for themselves, some version of it for themselves. Might not be the same app. They can build something else. Maybe they can build a home management system or a expense management system for themselves, or a budgeting for couples or anything. Yeah. Or probably a bigger social media than Facebook. Who knows? Okay. Okay, it's completed, but let me close this and come back and reopen it. Okay, home, Expo. Okay, some something's wrong with the app. What did you do, Elon? The workout planning and execution flow is now fully functional. When you click on start workouts or plan sessions, it will properly load the exercises and begin the workout session. I hope so. I hope so. Let's see. Let me go home again and load the Expo Go again. Let's click on go back. I think it would have been fun if we had some ambient music in the background, isn't it? But I don't know how loud is my voice, how audible is it. Based on that, I can decide. Feel free to drop a comment there. I really like the song from that new movie called Duranda. It's an espionage or spy thriller, and it's supposed to be a good movie um, from a very good director, Aditya Thar. So yeah, I like the song that I so badly wanted to listen to that. Uh, but yeah, I wanted live stream as well, so I didn't give in to my temptation to listen to music. Okay, now this one is annoying me by taking a lot of time. So what I will do is kill the simulator and probably okay, I started a new simulator. Let me see if this one is working in my app. Expo go in my in my actual phone app. Go home. Hyperfit. New update available. Downloading. Okay. This is taking much longer than it should. You might want to check the internet connectivity. Is that the case? No, internet is fine. Okay. 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 You guys can see this one now. Yeah. So it's loading here, and also I'm building a new or running a new simulator there. So it must be up any minute. And this one I should be able to kill. Okay. Let me test it. What I was supposed to test. Let's see. Active user plan. Root cause. Active user plan references error. Okay. When I tried to start the workout, like when I tried to click on this workout or start workout, it was failing. Let's see. Live. Success. Started pull A. Success. Started pull A. Nice. Okay. And it is giving a workout overview for me. This is cool actually. Okay. And now it has the usual thing, save template and start the session or this thing. Great. Let's start the session and record it. I'll do, I think, once I have the emulator or simulator running, I'll do the same thing there as well. But yeah, probably I can move along and I can show it here. Okay, I enter 145 for deadlift and 8 reps. Probably add set 8 reps. Oh, I need to finish also, I guess. Then I finished here also. I need to add set. And maybe I'm tired in the third set for 6 reps alone. And I'll move on to the next exercise. Next exercise is pull-ups. Probably pounds is body weight. So 125, 150. And how many pull-ups? Probably 7. Do you guys doubt it? Doubt me on this one? Let me know if you guys have serious doubt if I can have a strict pull-up 7. let me complete this and then add a set. And then usually on my pull days, I start the pull days with 25 pull-ups, actually, not bragging. 25 strict pull-ups, I mean. So again, it goes somewhat like this: 8, 7, 15 plus, and then I will have 4, and again I'll have 4. So I'll get to 25. 7, 8, 15, 19, 23. I used to have 25 in one set at some when I was saying 23, 25, next exercise. Okay, let's see, I don't have mood for all that. Complete the session. Okay. And then, okay, complete the session. Data uploaded successfully. If I go back here, it shows this one, clean. So it's neat, and I'm able to get this one as well, get a simulator up and running as well. So let me, okay, now I have got an iPhone 17 Pro Max. So here, where is it? I need to look for expo. पिज़्ज़ा चाहिए? Yes, चलो चले. Continue, type English and Hindi. Ah, why it is showing that to me now? I don't know. How did it get to know I can speak Hindi? I don't know. People are tracing everyone. Okay, Expo, where are you? Okay. Expo, show up. Okay, opening on iOS on iPhone 17 Pro Max. This has become so slow. How much CPU usage it has? Cursor, Google Chrome. Installing Expo Go on iPhone 17. So you can see that here. Like I tried to, oh, sorry. Yeah, now you can see installing Expo Go on iPhone 17 Pro Max. Okay, downloading the Expo. Can you do it faster than what you are doing right now? You want to see the simulator as well? Okay. Are there any viewers left, or everybody got bored of the restarting the simulator? Okay. Okay, downloading 100%, 100%. Okay, hyperfit, continue. Yeah, that's it. And let me log in. Hyper. This is my email address if someone wants to connect with me for any brand endorsements or any learning as well. So call me, no, sorry, email me if you have any questions about anything, are curious about my process or where I work, or if you need any help related to any preparation, any learning, I'm always or most of the time available except when I'm busy at my work. But I'll try to make time or I'll let you know when I'm available. So reach out to me at hyperfocusedengineer@gmail.com. This is my email address. Let's start with the demo of what we saw until now. Initialize the system. Okay. And yeah, save it. Yeah, here you can come and let's see what can you do. So yeah. Oh, I have, yeah. So now we had seen all this, right? Start the custom workout. We are not focusing on the home view. We are focusing on the gym view. So gym view, I have this data and all these things. So now we can see the analytics populated as well. I think the one way to get back to that original state was, yeah, let's go back to gym view again. So we don't have any sessions marked there. Next session is pull A, which is in here. So I'm starting the workout, or I can change the day or change the plan. As we saw, we can change the plan to upper lower split. Upper lower split. Next one is the lower body. On Tuesday it is due. Let's start the workout. Started lower body. We have all these workouts. And save the template. I think save the template might not be needed now, I guess. Start the session, or probably we can rather than save the template, save in my plan makes much more sense there. But yeah, that's I'll just note it down. After the workout is started, save in my plan makes more sense whenever I start a session of workout. Great. So yeah, let's see. I hope it's visible. I hope that the screen was visible, but nothing is visible. I think if I see there, let's see, 55 pixel. What is it? Am I still sharing iPhone 16e? Okay, let me change it. Change it to iPhone 17 Pro Max. Oh, it's a big screen. Sorry, I mean big screen size. Let's fit it correct. And yeah, it's an iPhone 17 Pro Max. Okay. And let's lock the placement of this. Okay. Now, where did I come from? I didn't share anything, right? About session, discard it. Okay, everybody had seen this one. So now, I don't know, lower body today's session. This is nice, but I don't care about the home screen as of yet. I'm focused on the gym view. It's showing next workout due is start this workout, and it is showing in the calendar empty workout completed and empty workout. Okay, that is false. Change it, change the plan to full body general. Okay, and full body workout, it's saying that's the next one, which is due on Tuesday, Wednesday, and Friday. Okay, and it's showing something's completed, empty workout is completed, but let's see if I can have a full body general completed. Start this workout full body. Okay, and then start session, and then deadlift. I can do a deadlift of 150, probably 8 reps, which 8 reps. Don't ask me to lift 150 after I commit here. I need to test myself. Okay, and then this thing, I haven't checked the timer seriously. Let me revisit back to the timer component later. I will take that as a note. Revisit to the timer feature or component at a later point of time. Okay, got it. So now, okay, next exercise, pull-ups. How many? 150 is the body weight, and then can do 8. Okay, add set 150 remains the same. I'll do 7. Okay, 15, and I'll do 5, 25, 20, and I'll do 5 again, 25. This is my routine. I don't want to disturb it here as well. Leg press, how much? Probably 128. Add set 128. Add set 120 and 8. Okay, next. Okay, I'll just 150 plank, 30 seconds. Yeah, should be good. Complete it. Complete the session. Now it is in the session complete. Data upload successfully. I don't have any ways to click on X here. Like I wish there was an X from the session complete screen. There's nowhere I can go, and you can see that okay, the history shows this one. Okay, there's a detail for the history as well. What all workouts I did, 100% complete, average rest 9 seconds, deadlift, pull-ups, leg press, plank. Okay, this is neat. Does anybody have any opinions or comments on that experience? If not, we can move forward. Yeah, the analytics screen. There is a week analytics month. This filters, we can test it there later after populating some data. Wow, look at this. So nice. I love the colors, and I love the pie chart always for graphical things. One deadlift set, 1 pull-ups, 1 leg press, and 1 plank. Basically based on the number of, not the number of sets, also number of times we perform that. Workout days, 1 day, only Monday. And this is Tuesday, right? Why it's not showing Tuesday? Monday as 1, it's marked as Monday as 1, 9 seconds. Okay. Yeah, never mind. Okay, this is one thing I need to fix now, but I like the progress actually. Let's commit this change, and then actually this is nice, man. Okay, rest day, and here I want to see the calendar once I complete the workout session complete. Okay, so first thing is commit this, and the next thing is provide the feedback. Status, git add source. Okay, git status, git commit, what I'm committing now. Okay, provide option to track the workout after. Okay, populate the workout calendar calendar and option to start workout. Okay, everything's there. Now the next thing is provide feedback. Okay, in the gym view, after I complete a workout session, the model shows the summary of the session, and there is no option to close the summary. I am stuck doing that. Whereas I wanted to close it and go back to the gym view. Okay, let's see how fast it will take, how fast it will, how soon it will fix. Okay, I think now the comments have stopped, so I'm getting a little bored. See if someone's joined, please do comment so that I'm occupied and can push for some more time to see it to some completion state or some usable state, somewhat usable state. Let me see. Okay. Okay. I'm back in the screen. What do you guys think? How is that going on? I don't know. I have a good feeling about this, the way the app is going on or app is being built. But yeah, since I'm building it, I might be feeling that. But what you guys think? What you guys think, Sal? I'm not. I'm not with that. Not Smeagol's to talks like this, likes things. You guys thinks what's we don't thinks like this. Let's see. Okay, I already see the X buttons there. We see it. Should we close it, Smeagol? Okay. Mimicking Smeagol is kind of scary and dangerous at this age. Let's see what you did, Elon. The issue was after the completing a workout session, the summary model had no way to dismiss it and return to the gym view. Here's what I implemented. After I finished the workout, users saw the session summary but was stuck with no exit option, only initiate new session and modify log data buttons were available. Okay. No way to simplify, no way to simply close the summary and return to the main gym view. Added close handler to gym view. Okay, enhanced finished session view component added on close prop. Okay, added on close. Yeah. On close, it will handle the on close stuck in summary view. Okay, let's test it. Test it. Okay, we are still stuck in that, and there is X button clearly visible now. And I clicked on it. Nothing happened. Clicked on it again. Nothing happened. And I'll reload it. And 100% download it. And now it's initialized and it will come here and still stuck at that screen, and I clicked on X. So, hi Elon, I am clicking X for and nothing is happening in the session complete model. Okay. Along this time you better fix it. Don't come back without fixing it. Got it? You better get it. Okay. Let's see what okay, this time if Elon doesn't fix the simple thing, I'll go to Sundar. Probably I can go to Sam Altman as well. I haven't been to him since a long time. I haven't used him since a long time, so might be a good opportunity if Elon cannot perform. Elon, it's for your ego now. If you cannot do it, I'm going to Sam Altman to perform the same task. Can you lose to that? Let's see. Have I seen any other live streamer yawning? Probably not. How can I edit this out? Don't know. Okay. Elon came back. X button called set still showed finished view. X button resets finished false in workout status. Exits finished view. The close button now properly dismisses the session summary and returns user to the main. Complete workout, see summary. Click X button, return to the gym overview. Workout data remains intact, not undone. Can continue using the app normally. Okay. Let's see. Too much promise. And performed. Oh man. Why did it come to the workout overview here? Yeah, I don't want to see the workout overview. Workout overview, view page, not to the gym view. Take me back home, please. Also, before. Okay. I've requested a loan for the last time. I see the issue, the render logic. You see the issue every time, but you don't fix it. Now when the user clicks on the X button, don't do it. Don't run the command in the background every time. No linter error is found in gym view. Okay. Still not going back. Going back to the main view, but going to a kind of review of the session view. Let me check that finished workout hook does. Use today workout hook. Each session active is sourced from use session view hook. So visible workout is today's workout dot filter. Okay, still not going back. What's happening? Archive all exercises visible after clicking X. Archive all exercises. Visible workout dot length is equal to 0. Reset finished is false. Exit finished view. Show workout planner. Okay, main gym view experience interface. Okay, let's see one last time. Okay, finally completed. Deadlift plus 3. Okay, completed just now. Deadlift plus 3. And next one is full body general again. Active plan, full body general. Full body B. Next one again. And let's go to history session. 4 exercises. Deadlifts, 4 pull-ups. And let's go back to this one. All are 1 1 1. Okay. Let's start this workout again. And then start session. 160 this time. 10. 10. 150. 10. And 150. 10. Okay, incline bench press. 150. 8. Okay, 1 is enough. Leg press. 135. 10. Next exercise. Plank. 150. 35 seconds. Complete the session. And clicked. Nice. It came to the main view again. And then deadlift plus 8. Okay, those were completed on Tuesday, weekday schedule. And then, okay, 9 exercises total. So deadlift, 3 pull-ups, leg press, plank, again deadlift, pull-ups, incline bench press, leg press, plank. Nice. Okay, and analytics, it shows 2 deadlift, 2 planks. Okay. Workout days, Tuesday. Nice. I think I like it now. Okay, there isn't much. Okay, let me have it staged. Git status, git add source, and git commit m add start workout integration with planner. And start workout integration with planner. Yeah. Okay. Okay. So all these things. So what's the next main thing that we are thinking in the app? Start this workout. I should be able to start any custom workout as well. Okay, so that one in the start in the next workout due option. Okay, basically next workout due option, I can see the scheduled workout to be shown. I should be able to select some other routine to complete that day, or should be able to just record or log workouts one by one. Oh, nice. Love this, man. This one, like I can select the workouts and then start this session. Let's see if what is this. I have selected full body, but in full body I wouldn't know. Let's change the plan to push pull legs each 3 separate days. Now if I select this one, pull A, completed, deadlift, push. Oh, that is also pull, right? No, this is push day, deadlift squats, pull on Wednesday, and legs start session. Started legs. Oh, amazing, amazing. Grok is nice. Don't ever underestimate Elon Musk. That is nice, actually. About. Nice. Completed deadlift, and I didn't start this. And then pull A, start a different one or a custom one. Great. 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 Okay, let's check that one also. Start a different one. We can select some from some workout templates. Any template, okay, favorites, probably a push day. Okay, that's about the session. Discard it and start a custom one. Add push-ups. Discard. Nice, man. This is crazy good. Crazy good. I think made good progress today. This is looking cool too. These features, workout suggestion rather than workout suggestion. I think that next workout due was only good. Pull A, Okay, workout suggestion is pull yeah, from your plan, and 5 exercises Wednesday tomorrow. Start scheduled workout or change or choose an alternative. Nice. And active plan, classic 3 day rotating split. Yeah, weekly schedule. Browse templates, custom workout. Nice. Okay, I love it now. What next? Okay, let's make it bug free. That's the only thing. And experience flawless. Changes, change plan, and nah, this is bad for testing. Every day, same thing. Upper, lower. Start this plan. Now, if I select this one, upper body. If I select this one, lower body, and start the session. Quick options, browse templates, custom workout, and then just start from there. I think quick options might not be needed now because that is provided by the by this alternate and manual ones already. So quick options might not be needed. Look like the quick options in the gym view is not needed anymore. Uh, anymore since that is provided as part of the workout suggestion. So these two will be removed. Should be fine. Should be fine. Now let's see another test. Change the active plan, end the plan. Okay. Now create plan. AI workload generated based on your progress. Nice. Yeah, I think I like this aura. So I'm not seeing any scope for changing it. Maybe that quick options was needed when we don't have that active workout suggest selected. But yeah, it doesn't look like very much needed to. Okay, I think this is a good point where we can wrap up today's live stream. Let's commit this one too. What did it do? Workout suggestions. Okay. Okay. So basically git add those. Okay, and commit. It what it did was basically um, allow um, gym view to start a new custom workout outside of planner planned ones. Okay. Okay. Now I think all in all, I'm happy with the progress that we made. Mostly in the gym view. I haven't even looked into this. Like I think I looked into this before the session or before the live stream, but not in the during the live stream. I didn't go edit anything in the history as well, or I didn't edit anything in analytics. Whatever uh, I had developed before the live stream, I kept it as it is. I'll revisit these things probably in the night, probably in the next live stream session. But this gym view, I'm happy with the progress we made. This looks much better than where we started from. We can change the plan and we can, yeah, I think this is cool, man. This is cool. From the plan library, I think if we have a, okay, this one I'll have to implement it. Probably those kind of boring ones, like where I have to remove the duplicates and things like that. Probably I can remove it like asynchronously during in my own time. But other ones were interesting. Yeah, this is, I think maybe it is vibe coding or non-vibe coding. It needs focus. That's what is there during the live stream, and I was able to achieve a lot of make a lot of progress in this during this session. And thank you for joining in and kept it engaging in the beginning. Yeah, it was some nice conversation and then nice progress in the app as well. We'll see you guys not in the near future as soon as possible. Thank you. Have a good night.